The 5 principles of Lean give you a structured framework for any improvement effort. First, value. Define precisely what the customer is willing to pay for and nothing else. Second, the value stream. Map every step from raw material to finished product and identify which steps add value and which don't. Third, flow. Once waste is removed, design the process so work moves smoothly without queues, delays, or stoppages. Fourth, pull. Only produce or advance work when there's real demand for it, rather than pushing speculatively. Fifth, perfection. Improvement never stops. Each cycle reveals new waste to eliminate. Take a GP surgery. The patient values a timely, accurate diagnosis. The value stream includes booking, reception, consulting, and prescribing. Steps like chasing missing notes, rebooking due to poor scheduling, or duplicating paperwork are all waste. Apply the 5 principles, and you build a process the patient actually experiences as excellent.